thirsty.
I said freeze!
Just getting a drink.
Alright, I had your drink. Now, I want you to...
I know. Freeze.
Fine, I guess you are my little pog champ. Come here.
Fuck you! Get your ass off my bus!
You're needed a Bravo! Post on
Number 6. Man urinates on fellow passenger for not being allowed to smoke. And I'll...
Highway is going to be really useful.
Yeah, but I'm not done yet, though.
Wait, you're not done building it?
Hey, yo, just made a grilled cheese. Does your grilled cheese look this good? Does your mama's grilled cheese look this good? I don't fucking think so. Fuck you.
Rock, reverse, yellow. Rock, reverse, yellow. Beat, reverse, yellow. Minute, reverse, yellow. Bad muscle, muscle, muscle. Bad muscle.
Do not pray for easy lives, my friends. Pray to be stronger men.
Master Chief, you mind telling me what you're doing
in Fortnite?
Sir, cranking 90s.
Time ticks by. Still I
What the fuck? Why'd you let him in? Look, he's gonna beat his ass. Look, help me, Iron Golem. Oh.
Son.
You tell me that you love me, but what's the price I've gotta pay to be your one and only?
As you guys can see, look, he killed me with a stun. A stun, he can't use a stun. Yeah, guys, look. Yeah, look, guys, look. Hey, disconnected. Yeah, guys. Thanks for watching, guys. GG. Give me the viewing because I have that reason. They kill me with the stun and drop hose. Yeah, guys. Thanks for watching. GG.
Jason, please leave so we can start a game.
You can't make me.
Ask me if I'm a truck. Are you a truck?
See, a lot of people didn't know that there was a boss battle in this. The giant enemy spider.
Si es grandote, pinta para el fondo, va a ver quién